for sure. Yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be weekly.
Look at True Boys RC, you'll see it on Facebook.
You're gonna see the Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, everything.
Yeah, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok.
124 scale.
From True Boys.
110 scale.
All right, man. Have a great day.
1/6 scale. This thing is massive. Oh my God.
Let's take it down.
Man, video don't even do it justice. Yeah, we can take it down and see what's in there. See how it's looking. See the features on it. Yes, sir. This thing is massive. Look at those axles, man. The shocks on this some bitches. Oh, crazy. Oh, look at that. I like that. Man, I know the price is hefty on this. How much? I'm still gonna have to have one. Yeah, I'm still gonna have to. I'm gonna pay payments. I'm gonna have to pay payments. Are these actual lights in here? Yeah. Actual light buckets, man. $1,999. I'm telling you. Dang, boy, it's a healthy price tag. I wish the doors came open. That would have been dope.
They don't?
Nah. But they did a great job. I'm not gonna lie about that, man. Yes, sir. I wish I had that cinematic mode like the iPhone 13. It don't matter, cause this one's dope. Savage, I think we need one of those in the collection someday. And look how it look right next to this thing, man. Fucking babies. Fucking babies.
And look
at that.
To the babies.
Yeah, that is crazy. That from underneath that. There you go. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna sit this on the table over there, see.
Yeah, let's
get
put
you
it
some
on
more
the table
in-depth
and take a real good
detail.
look at it. That just came off.
Yeah.
Took it out the box.
Now look how big it is.
Oh, it's heavy.
Look at that.
It's heavy.
Turn around. Let me get it.
It's heavy.
Oh my God.
Put it on the glass table here.
Lord have mercy. That is
heavy.
dope.
Let's go to the glass.
All right.
I'll move this out of the way.
Yes, man. That's a 1/5 scale, man. They talking about 1/6. That's a
It
1/5.
more like a fifth scale to me.
Right. Okay. Does it have body pins?
It's got body pins
I thought
right
they
here
had
in the bumper.
I thought they had the quick release stuff.
See, the body pins that come out of that bumper right there.
Okay. And then they have a hinge on it?
Yeah, it's got to be hinged.
Yeah, this is dope, man. I'm gonna have to put some money down on these bitches.
Yeah, boy, I think I'm
I ain't gonna lie.
go.
Oh man, these are super thick. I wish I had all.
Well, we gonna chip on it and you keep it 1 week, I keep it
I'm
next
telling you, we can do that. You got the
I'm
man
down.
inside. Oh my
week.
God.
Oh my God. Look at this.
That is super heavy.
Okay.
Okay, it's 2 more clips.
Yeah, it's 4 clips.
Yep. One in the back here, underneath the bumper. Oh, nice and heavy. Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
A 4S system on this guy. Never done in a crawler.
No.
Never done.
Look at that big old
is
can.
Huge. That thing look like an 800 kV, guys, in person. I'm telling you. I know for a fact that's bigger than all the 1/8 scale motors. The
Kevin,
torque on this thing has to be
where's the
crazy.
KV on that motor? Let's look the specs up on this thing.
Well, go ahead. Do your thing, man. Look at that. That chassis. Matter of fact, I need that small car, that 124 scale. A guy had it sitting right in here. This gonna tell you the size of this thing.
Yeah, that's a 1200 kV motor.
1200 kV motor. Let me show you guys something. This how big this thing is in comparison. Check that out. 124 scale. Now, that's not it. Now look at this. You can sit this on bitch inside it. Yeah, man. That is crazy. That is awesome.
Look at the axles on it.
Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Look how beefy this thing is. Drive shaft is.
Look
Let
at
me
all
see,
the
is that
aluminum motor mount.
Metal motor mount. Metal drive shaft. No, that's plastic right there, but that's metal inside there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's turn it up and look under there.
Yeah, man. Look at just like the small one, but scaled up, man. Exactly, but scaled. Man, those links are incredible. That's the size you put on the 1/5 scale. Those crazy.
Yeah,
and,
that's what's
Axial.
on those big boys. Yeah.
The only thing that's gonna be annoying is waiting for someone to come out with a new transmission to center this drive shaft and a new front axle to actually full on 4-link the front end.
Right.
It's stuck on a 3-link Panhard at the moment.
Yeah.
Correct.
Then the up.
But I think it's functional though.
Oh, it's absolutely functional.
Because of the
just
way.
want that little bit of extra flex.
Right. This is totally different. This whole gear setup, and it's a 2-speed.
Oh, out of the
It's a
box,
2-speed, yeah.
Wow.
2-speed. So you have your light wires here. You just plug that up.
So it's set up for 4S or
4S. They don't recommend running 4S, but it is set up for 4S. You have your model engine here, which is a fan, I believe. You have another servo up front here. So the rear servo is for when you want to change gears. Change your speed. You got your first speed and your second speed. And guys, this thing is not light. I like how they have the wire management. Super dope. Bumper.
okay.
Let's see, is that another damn ESC? Oh, no, that's the servo. Oh, sorry. There you go. That's the motor side. There you go.
Actually full
All
on
the
adjusted.
hobbies.
That's impressive.
Yes, it is. There goes your servo. There's your
That's gonna be a larger than normal
S905.
servo too, right?
Yeah. Horizon LT S905. Incredible, man. That's all I can say about this thing. Incredible, bro. Y'all have to see this thing in person to understand my excitement for this. And all the people that say, oh, I'm not gonna get that, because all the people that saying I'm not gonna get it because that price tag, I guarantee if you see this in person, you'll be getting it. Guaranteed. Let's see how the light buckets are on here. What would be nice is if they actually do have the lights. Yes, sir. Lights are already installed. Just gotta plug them in. I wish y'all have a battery. Y'all need to plug this in, man, so I can see the lights.
Price tag don't matter too much if you want.
That's illegal. Huh? Oh, shoot. It, like the rear tail lights look pretty nice. The tag.
You got them.
They actually have bars inside this body.
You got the
Save it.
controller turned on.
I'm tearing up this body. Let's see how heavy this body
Just
is.
run off the table.
Yeah, it's got a low weight.
But the car. I'm actually willing to take that risk.
What you get? Ain't work.
I don't know if they're like Granny.
All right, guys. You got lights on this thing. Incredible. Real lights. I like this trailer here. You know how it looks? Okay, that comes out like that, yeah. I have a trailer being built right now. We'll be coming to the channel soon.
Yeah, I know, right?
Put that back up there. That'll be dope.
Roll them once and there they go.
Oh, look at that, man. This is gonna look good at night. Really is. The lights are very big. I really like this. Like on the other cars, you can't really tell the lights on until it's pretty much nighttime. With this here, you can see the lights on, bro. Let me see how the
The
front
tail
look.
lights, but I'm not sure.
Let me see how that front look.
Weird. Just a
They got all them stickers on the shit.
yeah.
Yeah. They need to take those stickers off.
Get this big.
But I think this will be brighter. You take the stick off, man, because it looks like
Brighter, but
yeah, way brighter.
they don't have any of that texturing of the actual glass
Right,
on there.
right.
it's
So
gonna
they
look
put
a little
stickers.
odd.
Yeah. That'll be nice if these did too. They had light
Oh,
buckets
I'm
here.
sure once this thing goes for a while, there's
Yeah.
gonna be
Light buckets gonna come down here,
oh, yeah,
here.
there's gonna be people that make
Rock lights,
new
yeah.
fenders for it.
He did that to me too.
Incredible, man.
Because he doesn't tell anybody what he does.
You could take that little crawler there and climb on this zombie. You don't even need a track. Just go ahead and climb on. Massive. You gotta be a crawler fan to be, or just an RC fan in general. All right, guys, the power button is underneath the vehicle. Reach your hand under there. Quite sure you guys are gonna be looking, and that's where it is. These shocks are huge. Definitely bigger than a 1/8 scale vehicle shocks. Everything about this is much bigger. You got the mud terrain TA by Goodrich. Yes, yes, yes. Loving it. I guess this is where you sit your battery. I guess by this car being so big, it's not gonna matter where you have your battery mounted. Or maybe these are the battery straps here. What are these? The battery straps over here?
Yeah. So you can run parallel. Apparently you can run parallel or series.
Right.
No, don't bring that car.
I wonder why they put this one here. Exactly.
Yeah.
What my brother was just saying. Soon someone's gonna come out with hinges for this. You know, this will be lift up in the air, doors will be opening, you know, roof rack.
Someone's gonna get a servo, motorize the wipers.
Man, this thing is gonna be incredible. So what you think? You like it?
I got too much money in something else already, but if I had the money, I'd probably get it.
Okay, there we go. I'm with them. Make sure y'all check this thing out. We'll put the link to. We're at Hobby Town right now, man. Y'all come holler at my brother Nick. Let's get it.
I don't know why they just supposed to come out.
Come holler at my brother Seaborn. You can get it.
Y'all come on, see me. I'm here for you.
Hobby Town, Sanford, Florida. Let's get it. scx6, guys. Incredible. Scratch that bell. Here you guys go. Some information.
That is the one thing I always forget, that there is a
I was avoiding. I have no idea what made me avoid it. I mean, it was just feeling like
Let's
it
see.
was too difficult.
Alright guys, it comes with your Spectrum DX3 2.4 gigahertz. You have your Spectrum firmer crawler 120 amp sensor brushless smart ESC. You have LED red included lights. You have your white LED lights. You have your Spectrum 15 kilogram servos SPM S614. And that's your rear servo for your gears, where you're changing your gears. And then you have your steering servo Spectrum S905. Super dope. Spectrum 1200 kV motor. Nice. 2-speed metal gear transmission. That's everything there. CRC front and rear bumper. You have your 7-inch tires. 3-piece bead lock wheels. Nice. BF Goodrich KM3 tires and black Rhino wheel. Multiple battery locations, which you have 2 on the side here and 1 in the rear. Molded plastic inner fenders. Yes, sir. Nobody had this in stock.
Yeah.
Michael.
Oh, okay.
Where you got this one from? Here?
Superior. Not Superior. I'm my grade.
Okay.
So you want the Traxxas speed controller for it?
Not the Traxxas. No.
What you want?
I want the Castle speed control. Me my act
Color
better.
fading in there just right, man.
Well, he in there.
True Boys RC on YouTube, man. That's why I'm filming.
Huh?
True Boys RC on YouTube. That's why I'm filming.
See, I don't like that's too big. Man. I don't need it that big. I really don't.
All right. So
I'm right here.
Pictures, but yeah,
It's 14.
this
What
thing
this
has
is? A motor.
rear seats in the back. 3 seats. Cage in the rear. CRC Black Rhino BF Goodrich. Brandon on there.
What it is there?
That you can't see for the tent that they have on it. 3 seats back there in the rear. And grocery getter in the back.
Little big.
Yeah, this shit is huge, man. People don't understand because they seen it online. Everybody.
But listen, I'm gonna tell you, you the one made me put that calcium in there because my car was.
I put a sidewinder. Look at True Boys RC. You'll see it on Facebook.
You gonna see the Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, everything.
Facebook, YouTube, TikTok.
124 scale,
From True Boys.
110 scale,
All right, man. Have a great day.
1/6 scale. This thing is massive. Oh my God.
Let's take it down.
Man, video don't even do it justice. Yeah, we could take it down and see what's in that. See how it's looking. See the features on it. Yes, sir. This thing is massive.